Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check and show you about abandoned cars, truck, monster truck, helicopters, buses, petroleum truck, etc. The first one is a broken cement mixer truck. How about this one? A cute bus. This one is a kind of express bus. Very nice. Helicopter. This one is a broken helicopter. Monster truck. This one is a cute monster truck. Very nice. A broken helicopter. This one is a broken helicopter. Tanker truck. A cute tanker truck. Everybody, this is a cute tanker truck. Dump truck. Very nice dump truck. Broken helicopter. Hero Spider-Man. Cute express bus. Road roller. Cement mixer truck. This one is a broken cement mixer truck. Petroleum truck. Dump truck. Broken ladder truck. Another cute ladder truck. This one is a cute ladder truck. Everybody, so now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.